I want to talk about this 10-inch cast iron pan that COOKLIFE sent me to do a video on. First of all, what do you get? You get a little handle right there, kind of a cozy for the end of the handle. It's going to be great if you want to use it as a display piece, put it on the table. You get a cookbook, you get a stainless steel lid, and right there you have some cleaning utensils. You have a scrubby, and you have kind of a scraper right there. So these are going to be really helpful when you're cleaning. And taking a look at the pan itself, the first thing about this that I noticed, obviously it looks fantastic, but it's the weight. This is pretty light for a cast iron pan. It's still got heft to it, no doubt about it, but it's a little bit lighter, which is going to make it a lot easier to manage. Tonight I'm cooking up a chuck eye steak. You see what I've got there, all seasoned, ready to go. And here we go. First time around, I'm seasoning the pan, getting a little bit of oil in there. I'm using some beef tallow today. And after 30, 45 seconds or so, you can see right there. One of the other things that really strikes me about this is how smooth this is. You see right there, getting it in the pan for the first time. Look at the sear we get on this. This is fantastic. That's what you're looking for with cast iron, a really nice sear. So after searing each side, a little bit of seasoning. Then I go into the oven. I put it in there for probably about 6 minutes at 375. Take it out and it's ready to go. You can see you've got fantastic results. It looks absolutely delicious. Cleaning it up right here, you can see the sear that we got on it. And grabbing a little bit of pan sauce as well. The results speak for themselves. The steak is fantastic. I am going to get a ton of use out of this pan for sure. If you'd like to pick up one for your kitchen, click on the link in the description below.